This project, which is funded by Unite in the Fight, is basically rooftop renovation and agricultural technology in order to combat food insecurity among cancer patients. According to the NIH, approximately upwards of 55% of cancer patients are food insecure, and that could be related to the food environment, the built food environment that we have here in the United States, such as food deserts and food swamps. So we got this idea after our Paceline grant with the HARVEST-HD micro farm to basically renovate our rooftop garden to be able to grow organic produce up here again year round, so then we can give it away to the local community that the Georgia Cancer Center serves. To be completely honest, when I got here at the Georgia Cancer Center, I saw the rooftop as an opportunity. Nobody had really taken care of it, and some of the trees and plant life that were there were already cracking some of the planters that you see behind me. And so I figured, quite frankly, this must be an eyesore for our cancer patients. We believe that if we basically do a similar HGTV makeover of the rooftop garden, that they'll really want to come out and interact with the space more often. This will help them as well as our local community, because we are in a food swamp in the Augusta, Georgia area, in the counties and the census tracts that surround us and what we support here at the Georgia Cancer Center. So it'll give people the ability to get organic produce free of charge. We'll be growing all sorts of things up here, from buttercrunch lettuce and other herbs to muscadine grapes and tomatoes. There is also a component where we're going to survey our cancer patients to see the before and after effects of this, because we don't want to just do this without their input. We want to make sure that this was something that they would have enjoyed and they would have wanted, and they want to participate in. I would love for our cancer patients to come out here and help me garden and everything, because I believe that food is health and food is wealth. And so if we're able to do that, then I think they'll enjoy themselves when they're out here. We'll be coming up with a dissemination plan very soon, but first, we got to get this baby cleared out.